Welcome to day one of the Cleaning Company Blueprint January Challenge. If you don't know me, my name is Victoria, and I, along with my sister Jen and our friend Kevin, will be here every weekday to help you build your own cleaning business. It may feel hard to believe right now, but by the end of this month, you will be ready to launch your own business. You'll have a professional website designed to convert visitors into actual paying clients. You'll have effective, simple systems in place to find stellar clients and top-notch cleaners. You'll be able to process payments without the pain of chasing people to pay their invoices. And you'll be on the road to generating reliable, recurring income. You will have also connected with fellow entrepreneurs from all around the world who know exactly what it's like to be in your shoes. Each weekday morning, we'll release a new video on our YouTube channel that will take you through that day's action step. That action step builds upon the action you took the day before. So it is important to go in order. The goal is to go slow and steady, ensuring you have a solid foundation before moving on. Bit by bit, we'll build your business together, setting you up for success. You won't spend weeks deliberating over details like your business name or which template to use for your website. Instead, you'll make decisions quickly and confidently, keeping you moving forward. We're all about building momentum, not burning you out. Now, you might be wondering, are we going to push expensive coaching programs at the end of this? The answer is no. My sister Jen took a very similar version of this course a few years ago for free, and it changed our lives forever. Our little company has now generated $1.7 million in revenue since we started just 3 years ago, and we didn't know anything about the cleaning industry. So if we can do it, you can absolutely do this. All we ask is that you use our affiliate links. It's a win-win. You get discounts, and we get to keep doing what we're doing. So every morning, we'll post a video on our YouTube channel, Cleaning Company Blueprint, at around 7:15 a.m. PST. You'll watch the video, then join us at 5 p.m. PST for a live Zoom call. There, you'll get to ask us anything you like, whether it be about that day's topic or anything else you need to know. We'll also bring in special guests, fellow entrepreneurs who've already built their cleaning companies who can share where they're at today. So you can get direct inspiration and advice from people that are actually out there with their own cleaning companies. And don't worry if you miss a Zoom session. Recordings will be saved in the community space so that you can catch up at any time. And some of them you're going to want to watch more than once. So today's action step is probably the easiest of all. You're going to go to convertlabs.io/blueprint and sign up for ConvertLabs. This will give you access to a majority of the tools that you need to launch and build your cleaning company, as well as manage all the operations. It is free for your first 30 days. Once you sign up, you'll receive an invitation to join the community, and there you'll find the January Challenge cohort. There you can introduce yourself, say where you're from, and meet all the others who are also embarking on this journey. I know you're probably going to want to get in there and start working on your website right away. Please resist that urge. We will get to everything you need to do and set it up properly for your long-term success. If you do have extra energy that you just have to spend right now, spend more time in the community getting to know the others, as well as on the YouTube channel. You can watch the hot seat calls. Those are going to be the greatest inspiration for you from here on out. I'll link to the playlist at the end of this video. So let's dive in and make the most of this journey together. Don't forget to introduce yourself and let us know where you're from. I'll see you in there.